Here are 5 Igbo heroes they never taught you in school. Backhand index pointing down, medium dark skin tone. Kick-up 1 Jaja of Opobo, born a slave, became king, and defied the British Empire. Kick-up 2 Nonerua, sparked the ABA women's riot, fighting taxes with 10,000 women. Kick-up 3 Queen Ahebi Ogbebe, the only female king in Nigerian history. Kick-up 4 Oloda Ekwiono, Igbo man who helped end slavery in Britain. Kick-up 5 Philip Imigwali, a refugee who helped invent the internet. Collision: these names should be on statues, not forgotten in silence. Books won the full list. Watch the full video now, only on Chinick TV.